I like an egghead because today I'm going to be showing you guys how I lay, put on, conceal, strap down my wigs. So as you can see, I got my little wig cap on. I usually use I usually use the skin tone ones that match my skin tone wig caps, but I don't need this because this is just a closure, and it kind of looks better without it because it's not going to see the size and everything, so it doesn't really matter. This is my wig. She look a little busted right now because I went to a party last night. Sis is tired, but we're gonna wake her up. We're gonna wake the fuck up. So I'm gonna start off with I'm gonna put her on real quick. real quick. Okay, I think she used to court. So if you see me looking off to the side, my mirror's right there. I have like 8 mirrors in my room. Okay, so honestly, like if I didn't really care, this closure is like tight enough that it won't slip. But just for me, just because I want to be careful, I'm gonna lift that back a little bit, and we're gonna apply glue. See, now I ran out of got to be glue, but you know, I'm gonna show you how to do it without got to be glue, because you don't need got to be glue to lay your wig down. You don't need it. We have our Gorilla Snot, the one and only. What else does it say? So I'm just gonna start off with some of this. Ooh, what's that? A bubble. This junk is so freaking slimy, bro. Like, oh, it's about to fall, it's about to fall. Like when they say Gorilla Snot, I think they really went to the rainforest. The gorillas live in rainforest. They went to the rainforest and they fucking took the snot out the gorilla and dyed it because it's not blue. But yeah, I need my mirror. So we're just gonna apply this. My closure really only goes from here to here, like, so I don't really apply it really anywhere else because I don't need to. We're just gonna go crazy, go stupid. Put some heat on this thing. Put some heat on this thing, and yeah, let's do it. All right, man. So next, I'm really about to just. This junk is so sticky. That's how I know this will stay. I'm gonna pull her back down right on top of the Gorilla Snot. Hold that boy in place for a minute. Let me see what it's looking like. I usually smooth. See how I'm doing this? Like smooth that closure part out, so it'll stay. Okay. That in the middle of my head? It is. Okay. So now I'm about to put some more heat on it. Oh God. I'm gonna put some more heat on it and I'm gonna hold it down so it will stay. Okay. And then I'm gonna tie it up for now. Here's everywhere. I'm gonna tie this part up for now. So I already sprayed that Mario Badescu thing, whatever. I'm just gonna do my brows real quick, then I'll. All right, so I did my brows, as you can tell, cause I'm not bored anymore. I'm gonna use it right, so I know I'm kind of fucked. But who knows, right? Who freaking knows? Okay, cause I'm not even going anywhere today. I'm just doing makeup because I'm bored, and that's kind of sad because I have no friends. But I wanted to do my eyes like really cool today. I don't know. I don't have. I wanna. I'm tired of using these colors. Should I do green? I haven't done green before. I'm gonna try to do green. Hope I don't look like the Grinch. So how has y'all summer been so far? Cause it's been cold. Not cold where I live, but not hot either. Like, I need the heat. I need the heat. And it's been cold. I have all these baddie outfits. And I can't wear them because it's too cold. And you know, I'm upset about it because it's supposed to be hot girl summer. And no one wants to be a hot girl. And the season, summer doesn't want to come. So we can't be hot girls because it's got hot. So how does this even work? Wish I lived in like Atlanta or something. Or Hawaii. When you guys set your eyes like this and you when you patting it down and then you open it, I can't see. Is that just me? Cause I'd be so blurry. I feel like concealer is in my eye, but it don't be. I just be blind. I wear glasses. That's a fun fact. I never have them on though. Cause what? Why? Why would I even do that to myself? Literally. Okay. Now I'm confused because I always do cut creases. I'm most likely gonna do another one today because there's no other way to do makeup, in my opinion. Like, what else? If you're not doing cut crease, what are you doing? So I don't know what to do. I think I'm going to this dookie green and put this as like an all over color. Yeah. Ooh, this is really dookie. Dookie, motherfucker. Have you guys seen that OJ made a Twitter account, man, and he's been doing videos? And if you did see that, did you see the one when the lady did the talk show and she asked him if he did it? He said no, and then he gave her he scared her and had two knives like in her face after the show. I was like, he did it. You can't convince me otherwise. And it's so funny because like 2 days after I watched the OJ trial on Netflix featuring Cuba, him. I love him. He made a freaking Twitter. I said, oh my god, this is a sign, because I had never watched it before then. I didn't really know about like the OJ case. I just knew really people always ask was he guilty or not, and that Jay-Z had a song, I'm Not Black, I'm OJ. That's my song though. But yeah, I never really understood. Like, I never knew. But when I watched that case, the TV show, I was like, no wonder everybody was like, no wonder it was such a big thing, because everybody was like triggered and confused about it. Like, I don't know whose side to be on. Cause like all the evidence pointed towards it, but then they didn't prove it, so I don't know. But yeah, I just be confused on that, really. Okay. Now I'm gonna take the deeper green and go like in the inner. Ooh, that's pretty. OMG, stop playing with hers. I noticed with like eyeshadow, you really gotta go like in on it, or it won't show. Man, I looked back at this freaking video on Snapchat, man, and tell me why my eyebrows looked like boxes. And I was like, who let me walk around like this? My friends were not my real friends, obviously, because they were like not even blended. Like, why? Like, who even does that? So freaking trash. Okay. I want to incorporate blue, but I have no blue in this palette. Like literally zero, none, nada. What else goes with green? Pink, but I don't have pink either. I need to get a new palette, obviously. I think I'm gonna go in this little palette right here, this little trash palette, and see if I can do something with a color. Barely. Nope. Ain't nothing popping up either. Trash. Trash. I'm gonna come up here and I'll be back. Who are you guys' favorite YouTubers right now? Comment down below. I think my favorites are Antonio Garza, or is it Garcia? One of those. David Dobrik, as always, #1. I like Kimani. I'll put the name on the thing. Kimani, she's cool too. Munda's cool. Who else do I watch? I don't really watch anybody else. I watch other people, but like not like faithfully like I watch them. Okay, this is not ugly. I thought it was gonna be ugly. OMG, I'm kind of feeling it. I think I should put gold in the inner corner though, or should I put the bright green in the inner corner? The bright green. I think I have green glitter. OMG, guys. Oh my god, I have green. Nope, it's blue. Fuck. Okay, this green glitter is giving life. I'm gonna show you in a minute. It's giving me freaking life. Fun fact again, I've never had a job. Like literally, I kind of feel like not spoiled, but like I feel weird because everyone's had a job except for me, and I'm just like, I'm sorry. Like I wanted a job, I just didn't get hired. Not my fault. Being a job virgin is like not that bad because I don't care that much, honestly. So let me show you guys. Look at it. Giving you toddler diarrhea, giving you Shrek at the Swamp ogre, get out of my swamp motherfucker vibes. Giving you cucumber and lemon vibes. Giving you squash, giving you dookie to the max, giving you just 8 greens and I have to go use the bathroom to the max. Okay, anyway, I'm not doing a full face today. Like I'm not putting foundation on because I just don't feel like it, and I like don't need to for real. I need to, but I'm not. We're just gonna use my little concealer. This is the wrong one. Why am I so slow? I just didn't ask to be born. You ever beating your face? I be beating my shit up, like boom, knocking myself out. And you know, I think it's a great form of self-love. Cause you gotta make sure that makeup is just in. Like, who has time for that? No one. Whew, I'm tired. This is a lot of work. You know, one no funny thing. My friend freaking called me that on a SpongeBob episode when he like made a muscle and then it fell. He said that's me, and you know it's been haunting me ever since. I've been haunted by that image. Go to sleep at night, I just dream about that. It's like, why did you want to scar me? Why did you want to do this to me? I don't want to get it. I really don't. It's like, what did I do to you to deserve this? Like, really? What did I do? Oh, God. See, I think that's bad, isn't it? That's freaking bad. I think I did too much. OMG. I'm just not used to contour. Like, I hate contour. Why do I even do this to myself? I'm going to blend it out. Because I hate it. Fine. Fine. You win. You freaking win. You win. Look what I just did to my face. Oh my God. I blinked into the freaking mascara. Oh, I hate when that happens. No, I got that off like a G because that's who I am. That's who I am. We all, Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody makes those days. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. Everybody gets that way. We need her to blend. I like a ghost. I'm tired of looking like Casper. That was a lot of sprays, but I don't care. Okay. And that's my hair. Oh, by the way, this is human hair. I usually wear synthetic wigs, but this is my human hair wig. My girl, Laid by Lay, she made it. I'm gonna link her down below. And go shop with her. Like, that's my girl. She be going crazy on the frontals for real. Ugh. I've had this wig for so long, guys. Like, almost a few, like 6 months now, I think. Okay, that's one. Like, I do this to like give it some little curly bounce, you know, like we gotta scrunch her up, like stop playing with her, like yeah guys, like this is it for real. This is my like chill. I like this eye color. Actually, I might do this way more. Yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys. EXO. Wow, boy.